Hello art friends, get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing Kurama from Naruto by request. I hope I said that right. Okay, so to start with, we are going to be starting the head right here, the body here, and it's got some legs and a bunch of stuff coming out from it. So to start with, we are going to draw the mouth. So we're going to draw a little curvy line that comes back down, and then it kind of looks like an S. And then from there, we're going to draw a line coming up, back down and around, kind of like a letter C. And then we're going to draw a line coming back around like that. Okay, then we're going to draw a little line back here in the middle like that. That looks really weird, doesn't it? But it's going to be a little snarly mouth. Then we're going to draw a bunch of little V's here for his teeth. And we'll draw some V's here for the bottom teeth. Ooh, he looks really angry. Then we're going to draw a little curvy line here, a little triangle there, a little line off the back of the triangle, another curvy line that drops back off that for the nose, and just another little line like that. Okay, and then down here, we're going to draw a skinny little line under there, and now we've got the mouth started. I think I'm going to make that go back just a little further. Okay, then right here, we're going to draw some little zigzaggy lines that kind of come around. That's kind of like the back hair on his head. And then we're going to come here and draw a line going to there. And then it's going to come back around like so. And then we're going to have some zigzaggy lines here. And then we're going to put an ear here that's going to come up, out, back down and around. And then we're going to come right here and draw another curvy line. And we're going to draw his eye. And then inside the eye, we'll just put the eyeball there. And I'm going to leave a little bit of light in it. And then from that, we're going to come back here and we're going to draw another little, like a little mini ear, like so. And then we're going to start here and bring out the outside of the ear, like that. Looks pretty good. Then we'll draw a little line coming back. Okay, so now for the body, we're going to start back here on the back of this ear, and we're going to come around like so. And then we're going to draw the hind leg. So there's just like this weird little line here. And then this comes out and then comes back in and down. Okay, then we're going to start here with the front leg. Come around, do a little zigzag, come back forward. Then we're going to do the front part of that. We're going to come around like diagonal up. And then from the head, we're going to drop down, come back up, and overlap that first line like that. Nice work. Then we're going to continue this back leg here, and it's going to come around, put a little heel on it, and it's going to come back like so, because it's going to overlap the front leg. This guy's a weird little critter. Okay, then we're going to come back to this little paw and make an L, and then come back up, and wrap around like that. Then we're going to make another little paw that's just going to come back like that, make another one. Comes around, and you can kind of see a little bit in the middle of that. And another one, and then a wee little bitty one up here. And then we're just going to connect that there. So there's his front claw. Now for his back claw, we're going to come around. They're a little more curvy back here. There we go. And we're just going to repeat that. That's 3, 4, and he's got a little dude claw or something right there. All right, and then we'll just continue that line. And it looks like we've got some little fingernails. There we go. Awesome. All right, now for the front leg on the other side. So we're gonna come down out of the mouth. Have a little hiccup, little V there. Come down, it's gonna kind of match up with here. And we're gonna come down out of below the mouth. And it's just gonna line up like so. We're gonna have a little, like a little curve with a V. And then it's gonna come around with a V. Come back with a V. V, V. Okay, and we got some little claws there. All right, then we've got the back leg coming out here from his little snout. And so we're gonna come out here like this, and then come out here. And then we're gonna come down a little bit further. There we go. Just some little kind of wiggly V's. So they're kind of like spooky V's. And we'll give this one a little twist, and then we've got his little fingernails. I wonder where he gets those manicured. All right, now for all of his crazy tails. Okay, so we're gonna start over here, and we're gonna make a big kind of C. Comes up. And you know what? I'm gonna put some little jaggedy lines in here. There we go. And some little wispies on the end. And then that's gonna come back up over here. And then I'm gonna start back down here. Draw some little, all right, we're almost there. Okay, so we have a few little, I call these like little lightning lines. Little Z's. All right. So now we're gonna have one here. It's gonna start here, go under that, come back, lightning lines. And then we're gonna come back, come around. And we've got another one here that comes around. Goes under these two. Do some lightning lines there. This guy's got a crazy tail. Okay, we'll do some more lightning lines in here. Go. And we've got this one here that's coming back from his leg. It's gonna come around. Like so. There we go. And then we've got one that's coming out here, coming around, going under, and then we're gonna do a little trick. like that. So it comes around and this one comes back. And we'll do some little, all right. And then let's see, where should we put the next one? I think the next one's gonna come out here. It's gonna go under the ear, back around this thing, up here, and then it's gonna come back around. Do some lightning lines, like so. Okay, now we're gonna come out, and come around for the next one. I don't know where this character gets groomed at, but boy, do they have their work cut out for them. And then we got another tail. Out here. Around. Like so. Nice. I think I got them all. Hey, there's a lot of them. Well, maybe there's one more here. Put one more here. Come back out. All right. Woo! That was crazy. All right. Hey, if you enjoyed this, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Middle School Armenian. Give it a thumbs up.